Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we studied about the strlen, then strcpy and strncpy. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the strcmp, stricmp and strncmp. So there is a minor difference like strcmp, then stricmp and strncmp. So as name said, Strcmp, string comparison, means we are going to compare two strings, means parameters, total parameters true, and here we are going to compare string character by character, means string 1 and string 2. So first letter of first string, first letter of second string, that way. So if the first character of two strings, means both the strings is equal, then after that it will go for the next character of both the strings and it will compare. So it will compare in sequence, like first character, second character, third character, that way, and this continues until the corresponding characters of two strings are different or null. So till like if I have let's say hello is the first string, right? And of course we know at the end it will be null character. And let's say the another string is let's say good, right? This is the another string. So it will check that this way. First it will check this and this. Both are different, means if both are different, in that case it is not going to check the next letter. The reason is from the very first letter we come to know that both the strings are equal. But let's say that if we have another letter like H, E, R, E, this is second string. In this case, of course, first it will check first letter, okay, both are same. Then next, then E we have, then L. So first letter, then second letter, okay, both are same. Then third letter, okay, but both are not equal, both are not same, means both the strings are different, right? So till the null character it will check, and if till the null it finds all the characters same, means strings are equal or strings are similar. So this is the concept of comparison. So now this function basically returns three values, 0, minus and the plus, three values it returns. So if this function is strcmp, if this function returns 0, means both the strings are identical or the equal. If it returns negative value, means the first means that if the ASCII value of the first unmatched character is less than the second, right? In both the cases strings are not similar. If it's positive, means the first unmatched character is greater and this is less. So this you need to understand that basically when we say that it is comparing H and H, but actually it is comparing the ASCII values, right? So here we can say that if I have a capital A and a small a, so if it is comparing the ASCII value, it means it is comparing 65 with the 97. So in this case, the string which contains small a is the bigger than the capital A string. So this is the return values. This is the code, like you can write the program this way. Like first you need to take the value, like you need to store the return value by comparing the string. So here we are storing the value in the RET variable and we are checking that if RET means return value is less than 0, means first string is less than string 2. If it is greater, then this, else both are equal. So this way you can write the code to compare the string. Right, here you can notice that here we have small letters and the capital letters, right? So when we talk about the string comparison, three string comparison functions are there. First is strcmp, then stricmp, and strncmp. So what is the difference between this? So as we have already discussed, that string comparison function compares character by character, right? Okay, but the comparison is, this is an important point, comparison is case sensitive, right? As we discussed that small a is bigger than the capital A. But if we want to, if we don't want to consider the case, it means if we want to if we don't want to consider case, in that case we can use the stricmp. Also does the same function, comparison, but comparison is in a case sensitive. Means in this case, if I am using the strcmp, in this case my capital A is equal to small a, means it will consider that both the letters are same, right? The similar way we have this return values for both the strings, and finally we have strncmp. In this function, basically it compares character by character only, but it will compare till specific characters. Like if we say, like first string has H E L L O and second string is H E R E, and if we are saying that compare only two characters, first two characters means n, my n, in this case it will say that both the strings are equal because I found similar string, right? So this is about the string comparison. You can use all this comparison function and you can check that what it returns and how does it work. Other functions we'll see in the next session.